Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Alfonso Dicher Tagli Sr., known by his stage name Panchito Alba or simply Panchito, was a beloved Filipino film actor born on February 5, 1925 in Paco, Manila. He was the son of Itang Dicher, a prominent actress known for playing villainous roles in the 1940s, and the brother of actor Emil Tagle. His family's strong connections to Philippine cinema influenced his career path, which began at the age of 14 when he joined a vaudeville troupe, travel stage show during the Japanese occupation of the Philippines in 1942. It was here that he met Dolphy or Rodolfo Vera Quezon, a young performer who would become his lifelong best friend and comic partner. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Nagsimula ang karera sa pelikula ni Panchito sa Sampaguita Pictures musical na sa Isang Sulyap Mo Tita noong 1953, kung saan sila ni Dolphy ay unang pinagsamahan. Bagamat madalas gumanap si Panchito ng mga supporting role, nakilala siya sa kanyang talento sa komedya, partikular na ang kanyang kakayahan sa paglalaro ng mga comedic foil sa mga karakter ni Dolphy. This partnership would become a defining aspect of both their careers, and they appeared together in more than 50 films, including Kalabog in Bosyo in 1959, Beatnik in 1960, Pepe and Pilar noong 1966, Pacifica Falayfay on 1969, and Bakit Kinagat ni Adan ang Mansanas ni Eva noong 1989. Their on-screen chemistry was also showcased on the variety show Buhay Artista noong 1965 until 1972, where they performed comedic routines often involving playful mistranslations of Tagalog lyrics into English. The duo's comedy was characterized by slapstick humor, quick-witted exchanges, and a physical brand of physical comedy. Si Panchito na may katangi-tanging matingkad na hitsura at malaking ilong ay madalas na pinagbibiruan. Madalas na tinutokso ni Dolphy na sikat na tinatawag siyang baboy damo. Sa kabila nito, ang kaibig-ibig at mainit na katauhan ni Panchito ay ginawa siyang paborito ng mga manonood. The two even opened for the Beatles during their short-lived 1966 concert tour in Manila, further cementing their status as national icons. However, in the early 1990s, Panchito's health began to decline due to Parkinson's disease. Despite his condition, he made a successful comeback in 1995 with Homesick Home, a comedy film shot in both the Philippines and the United States. Though his mobility was limited, his return was met with great enthusiasm, and he even made an appearance in Home Along the Riles, a popular sitcom. Unfortunately, while filming scenes for father and son later that year, Panchito suffered a stroke which left him comatose. His deteriorating health captured the public's attention, with many of his co-stars and fans offering support. Noong December 18, 1995, pumanaw si Panchito sa edad na 70. 2 araw lamang matapos ang pagkamatay ng kapwa komedyante na si Bert Tawa Marcelo. Dumating ang kanyang kamatayan ilang buwan bago ang kanyang ika-71 na kaarawan. Sa isang matinding pagpupugay, nagpasya ang mga filmmaker ng Father and Son na isama ang kanyang mga party shoot scenes sa final cut ng pelikula bilang paggalang sa kanilang matagal ng kaibigan at collaborator. Panchito's legacy endures as one of the most beloved figures in Philippine comedy. His partnership with Dolphy is considered one of the most iconic in Filipino cinema, and together they entertain generations of viewers with their unique brand of humor. Noong 2007, inilabas ng Alpha Music Corporation ang The Best of Dolphy and Panchito, isang album compilation na ipinagdiwang ang kanilang comedic duo at pinahintulutan ang mga tagahanga na sariwain ang kanilang mga pinakahindi malilimutang sandali. Beyond his on-screen persona, Panchito was remembered for his warm, approachable nature and his ability to bring joy to others. His death marked the end of an era in Filipino comedy, but his influence continues to inspire actors and comedians to this day. He remains a cherished figure in Philippine popular culture, and his contributions to the entertainment industry have left a lasting impact on Filipino comedy and cinema. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mae Jemison, never limit yourself because of others' limited imagination. Never limit others because of your own limited imagination. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Yasser Arafat and Jake Kilabuya. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://enwikipedia.org, photo credits to https://web.facebook.com, and inspirational quote credits to https://www.goodhousekeeping.com.